What is apheresis? It is the separation of blood into its component parts, platelets, plasma, and red cells. Let's take a closer look at an apheresis component collection procedure being conducted at a blood bank. Before the procedure begins, a disposable kit is loaded into a Haemonetics device. Bags of solutions, which are required with each donation, are attached. A needle is inserted into the donor's arm, and blood is pumped through tubing, past sensors, and into a spinning container called a centrifuge bowl. It is here that the blood is separated into its components. As the bowl fills with whole blood and the centrifuging process begins, lighter weight plasma is pushed through tubing into a temporary storage bag. Optical sensors track when the transfer of plasma is complete. Now the bowl is filled with concentrated red cells. A return cycle is initiated, and in this case, red cells are pumped from the bowl into their own collection bag. The plasma is then returned to the donor with saline. The sequence repeats so that a second unit of red cells can be collected from the same donor. All of Haemonetics protocols operate in this way, differing only in which blood components are ultimately collected.